gold, we were talking about that earlier on in the show as well. We've hit the, 16th record high so far this year. It just keeps on going up. Obviously, you like gold. How much do you like gold?
Well, we have a target of 3,100 for the end of the year. It's surprising us a little bit that it's moving towards that pretty quickly. Yeah. It's been the key beneficiary of all these, tariff uncertainties, geopolitical uncertainties for sure. But the fact that the US dollar has slightly peaked for the year is another major tailwind for gold, which is why we've seen it pick up, in terms of its price momentum over the last 2 weeks or so. And finally, I think the previous guest has mentioned as well, central bank buying continues to be really strong physically. And physical demand, we know, is the underlying, push that's driving prices up of late. Yeah.
But there's a lot of different ways to get exposure to gold, right? You can buy the bars and coins, the actual physical metal, right? You can buy ETFs, you can buy miners, a bunch of different ways. When you take a look at what the actual physical price is doing, and what, let's say, miners are trading at, or what ETFs are shaping up like, does it still make more sense to buy the physical metal right now?
So far, it has made more sense to buy the physical metal. I think the miners have been lagging a little bit, and that's been a huge question, I think, for investors. I think the key is, mining is a business, and on the cost side of, the equation, the fact that inflation is rising, cost is rising, a lot of uncertainties globally as well, that is affecting, I think, the profitability of these miners. Eventually, the gap will close, it will catch up, but it's going to take some time. And historically, we've seen a lag as well.
So Bank of Singapore, this is the private banking side of OCBC, right? Ultra high net worth individuals or clients. Are you also telling them to pay more specific attention to the gold-silver ratio? Because silver looks like it could be playing could have a lot of catching up to do, and there's upside there.
Sure. Yeah, historically, that correlation has been there. It's pretty robust. So given that gold has run, there could be more upside for silver ahead. But we do, look more into the first principles side of things, right? I mean, the central bank buying is for gold, not for silver. But I think, the historical correlation, the market aspect of it will come into play. And there's upside for silver as well, we think.